How to fix Instagram messages. First thing guys, if you have any problem with the messages, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps, now go to the Instagram right here. Click on this data usage right here, scroll and enable these network access options. Go back again, click on the internal storage, click on clear data and delete. Go back, click on this power usage details and right here click down here on force stop. After that, turn off your phone and turn it on again. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to try to update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe.